Growing up, I remember my grandmother used to have these beautiful blue and white Royal Copenhagen plates hanging on her wall in her dining room. I vividly remember staring at them, aligned all perfectly on the white wall, while I'm sure the grown-ups were having some boring conversation I didn't care about. Sitting there wondering how the heck she got those plates to stick up there on the wall. And honestly, I still don't know, because I still have never hung anything like that. And I'm sure that this weekend's new Toulouse 2 I'm about to tell you about wasn't around when my grandma was hanging her plates. However, if you've got plates to hang or any items like platters, bowls, tiles, or art that need 4 points of secure hold, we've got just the solution for you. Display Buddie, spelled B-U-D-D-I-E, is an adjustable gadget that can display square, round, rectangular, and 2- and 3-dimensional objects safely, easily, and almost invisibly anywhere you can tap a nail in. They offer small, medium, large, and extra large Display Buddy sizes and can hold items ranging from 7 to 24 inches and 8 to 10 pounds. Let's say you're hanging a plate. Display Buddy has 4 arms and hooks that connect in the middle with a strong poly cord and cord lock. Slip your buddy onto the back of the plate, tighten the cord lock, and you're done. Your plate is locked in securely, the arms are plastic coated so you won't scratch the plate or pinch your fingers, and it's ready to be displayed as it should be.
All right, Mr. DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up.
Display Buddies start at $9.50, but they sell them in packages of 2 or 3, so the more you buy, the more you save. Display Buddies, they're fun, they're easy, they're impressive.
For more information, check out the HouseSmarts YouTube channel.
And be sure to like and subscribe.